Oh, hello! My name is Skillz, and in today's video, I will be telling you a story about the coronavirus. Now, once upon a time, in the year 2019, there was a group of viruses that were very bad and very dangerous. It's the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. What are some symptoms of the coronavirus? Feel tired, have a fever, chest pain, and difficulty breathing. The virus is spread through coughing, sneezing, talking, laughing, and close contact. What can you do to prevent the spread of the coronavirus? A mask. Don't touch your face, your eyes, your nose, or your mouth. Wash your hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer as well when you can. What are some things you should do if you have COVID? Please stay at home. Check your temperature every day. Get enough rest. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables and drink lots and lots of water. Here we go. Corona-virus. Scary, deadly, dangerously stronger than the rest. Corona-virus. Scary, deadly, dangerously stronger than the rest. If you have a fever, be sure to take a test. If you're feeling tired, stay at home and get some rest. If you have a fever, be sure to